Hello everybody, Steelfus Gaming here. I saw on YouTube lately, there was a guy who made Pickle Pepsi. And you guys may have seen my cooking video where I made Flamin' Hot Chocolate Mickle. It's hot enough to steam, then you have a good cup of Mickle. That's good. So I decided, what if I take that a step further by doing Pickle Pepsi? Alright, I'm going to show you how to do it. Get a fork. Here's what you need. A glass, a fork, unless you want to use your fingers, a jar of pickles, a Pepsi. It could be in a can or a bottle. It can also be diet or non-diet, whichever one you like. And milk, preferably not expired. Alright, first step, get 3 pickles out of there. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, and as you can see, there's pickles in there. 3 of them. And next, you'll want about 2 fingers of pickle juice. So put your fingers near the bottom of your glass and pour the juice until it's right there. So as you can see, there's about 2 fingers of pickle juice. So there's that. Next step is to get your bottle of Pepsi Cola. This one's kind of old, so it's starting to expire. I don't think the stuff really goes bad, it just loses its flavor and its carbonation. But I'm just going to add that until it's full. Alright. And now I'm going to stir it just a little bit. That looks good. Alright. I never tried Pickle Pepsi before. That's why I did the step first. That's actually really good. Wow. That's actually better than I thought it'd be. It's got a nice sort of salty flavor to it that complements the Pepsi good. Sort of like a sweet and salty. And now, for the last step, add some milk. There. And make sure, in order to get it nice and mixed, just stir about 30 times. Perfect. So as you can see here, it's sort of a nice foamy texture. That is really good. Okay, the Pickle Pepsi, it was sort of average, but this, it's sort of like a tangy, creamy, sort of sweet flavor to it. You can see it's starting to settle a little bit, like a lava lamp. So not only does it taste good, it looks cool. So, first thing I taste is I taste sort of the cream of the milk, but it's enhanced by the salt of the pickle brine. And then I taste the pickle taste, which is sort of like has a nice zip to it. That's complemented by the Pepsi taste. And the Pepsi, it sort of adds sort of the sweet saltiness to the pickles. Top of it's starting to kind of look like sand. That's pretty interesting. Well, that's how you make a Mickle Pepsi. Guys, if you want to try this out, make sure to record it and tag me in the video. Here's my Discord server in the description and the pinned comment. And check out the rest of my channel if you want to, because I just finished SpongeBob vs. Young Sheldon. I'm almost done with SpongeBob vs. Ronald McDonald. Steelfus Gaming, signing out. Oh, I put the camera too far away. There. I still got you.
Steelfish Gaming! Go, Steelfish Gaming!